I'm Anna Beth Eskridge, the interior designer and professional organizer behind Making Room for Peace. Born out of a challenging season, Making Room for Peace was created with the hope and the intention of bringing peace into people's lives. Having past struggles with anxiety and depression, we know what it's like to walk through that, but we also know what it's like to live in freedom and in peace. We believe in using every part of our client's story while also encouraging them to let go of what no longer is serving them. We want their space to be one that reflects not only where they've been, but where they are and where they are heading next. Our calming presence brings peace into the spaces that we work in as we take the time to really listen and get to know our clients. Through our attention to detail, we are able to create spaces that not only reflect our clients' style, but how they live.